Hello, my name is Bo English Fitchling, and I lead the database developer relations team. I'm excited to share how Oracle Database is innovating and making it simpler for developers to build their applications on Oracle Database using their favorite technologies and frameworks. I'll also share a hologram demo and code that we use to build that demo towards the end, so stay tuned. As an application developer, building apps is hard, but it doesn't have to be. Oracle Database 23 AI integrates AI directly into the database, making AI-powered insights and automation more accessible without the need for additional external tools, unless, of course, you really want to use them. And the multi-cloud capabilities allow flexibility and choice among hyperscalers. So becoming an app dev ninja is simple with the power of the converged database. Here's how we help you tackle any workload. Oracle Database 23 AI introduces AI vector search, allowing native storage and querying of high-dimensional vector embeddings inside the database. And this is essential for generative AI applications such as similarity searches for images, documents, and customer behaviors. With Select AI, sometimes referred to as natural language to SQL, developers can run traditional relational queries using natural language for better hybrid results, analytics, and insights. Oracle Database 23 AI supports all of your data types, including unstructured data, JSON, text, images, and video, alongside structured data, enabling richer applications. We even allow embedding models to be loaded into the database, allowing users to run AI-driven text generation, summarization, and recommendations natively to provide contextual results using your company-specific data along with public data. This eliminates the need to transfer data to external AI services, which reduces latency, costs, and those dreaded security risks. Autonomous AI-powered auto-tuning enhances performance by dynamically optimizing queries based on workload patterns. And self-healing mechanisms detect and correct performance bottlenecks using generative AI insights. This makes it ideal for applications that need AI-driven solutions such as search, recommendation engines, and fraud detection. We also make it easier to develop applications. So Oracle Application Express, or Apex, now includes AI-driven features to assist developers with code suggestions, natural language to SQL conversion, and automated debugging. This is just one part of our Gen Dev strategy. With built-in AI APIs, developers can access Oracle's AI models to enhance applications with predictive analytics, chatbot functionality, and intelligent document processing, just to name a few. Our innovative cloud infrastructure also includes AI for document understanding, vision, and speech. And our multi-cloud strategy allows developers to access Oracle Database in Azure, AWS, and Google Cloud. With Database 23 AI, Oracle is eliminating the need for external AI services, bringing AI-driven automation, search, and analytics inside the database itself. This reduces complexity, enhances security, and makes AI-driven applications easier to build and deploy. This also makes it ideal for applications that benefit from any AI-driven solution. Oracle Database helps you build agile, scalable apps integrated with popular frameworks and AI technologies, which is especially important when integrating with new large language models and new technologies such as MCP and agents. We know you like flexibility, so we've given you even greater choice. All of the Oracle Database AI features we've discussed are supported in all popular languages, frameworks, and tools. There's additional technologies that we supported not listed here, but this is a representative set. With our unique approach to vector data types, GenDev and Apex AI Assistant, with agnostic developer tools, you don't have to pick your favorite child. With Oracle's multi-cloud partnerships and tools, you can deploy and scale your apps seamlessly, not only on OCI, but across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud too, all without vendor lock-in. You can bring AI to your data, co-located to foster efficiency, security, performance, and extended functionality. Oracle Database is the only database available in all the major cloud hyperscalers and supports popular AI machine learning models and DevOps and ML ops tools, not just available in OCI, but available in other clouds as well. To showcase how all of these platforms, tools, and technologies work together, we've built an app called the Interactive AI Hologram with our meta human avatar that we've affectionately named DB after our plushie. Usually you can see this hologram using a hologram fan at conferences in our innovations labs around the world. And we've built a special version to showcase here and online. Using Oracle Database 23 AI features, including vector search, graph, spatial, and combined with OCI's generative AI features, you can not only talk to your application, but it can display text and show you images of the results as well. Here's how our demo works. When you ask it a question, the app uses OCI's AI service for speech to transcribe in real time and return text. That text is sent to Oracle Database 23 AI, which is used to generate SQL from the natural language using Select AI. Vector search then performs searches across the dataset to return the audio and visual reply. We use open source tools such as OpenStreetMaps, GraphViz, and NVIDIA Omniverse to render maps and graphs and convert that audio to animation. And using Unreal Engine, we turn the reply into a meta human avatar which speaks and displays the results. Here is the Select AI query, which shows the different actions taken by the AI hologram, including narration, running and displaying SQL queries, and explains what the SQL query actually does. Here's the property graph code used in the AI hologram. One of the challenges that we had to overcome was the visual display of our queries. Most of the AI VR avatars and chatbots that are out there just speak responses to questions, but we weren't satisfied with just talking. We wanted our avatar to display the results, so we had to figure out how to make that happen. An Oracle database not only tells us, but it can visualize it too. So for example, if I ask it to show the graph, DB will display the graph nodes and edges, in this case using the popular open source d3.js library for the data that I asked for. Here's the code that we use to visualize data using Oracle Spatial. So if I ask it to show a map of the spatial data, DB can build the geodata frame using GeoPandas or leaflet.js and plot the corresponding markers on OpenStreetMaps. And this isn't just an LLM providing results. We're using vector search so we can also display private data. The AI hologram also has a mirror me function and hand tracking controls to make it interactive. And all of this was built using free resources available. Wait for the end to see how you can build this yourself. Now, let's watch the demo in action. Hey DB, I'd like to ask you some questions.
Hello, Bo. Please go ahead. I'd love to help.
As a developer who wants to add AI to your applications, you might ask, hey DB, what are the most popular languages and frameworks used by developers writing AI apps?
Popular languages include Python and Java, with frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Hugging Face, and LangChain widely used for AI app development.
Hey DB, what database is available on all major clouds?
Oracle Database is available on all major clouds, including AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and Oracle Cloud, OCI.
Hey DB, how do you incorporate vector search into a Java application?
To integrate vector search into a Java application, integrate libraries like Deep Learning 4J and LangChain 4J, or platforms such as Spring AI, which support API calls to handle vector embeddings and perform similarity searches.
As a finance officer or a developer testing a financial application, you might ask a question such as, hey DB, show me the potential fraud activities or anomalies for all accounts in the credit database using Oracle Graph.
Sure, here is the graph analysis visualization for potential fraud activity based on data in the credit database profile.
Or you may wish to ask compound conversational questions. For example, drill down or visualize previously queried data. So, hey DB, show me a map using Oracle Spatial to represent the data.
Sure. Here is a map with markers identifying the suspect purchase locations. I also found public GPS tracing information for the area and time frame. Would you like me to add it to the visualization?
Sure.
Okay, adding additional GPS information to the map.
As a developer, you'll want to continuously improve the performance of your application. So for example, hey DB, show me SQL that returns the 5 slowest queries in the database.
Here is the SQL. Would you like me to run it for you?
Yes, please.
Sure. Here are the results of running the SQL.
Or just for entertainment, you can ask something like, hey DB, when's the first time that we see a hologram in Star Wars?
The first time we see a hologram in Star Wars is in the original 1977 film, Star Wars Episode 4, A New Hope, when Princess Leia appears as a holographic message delivered by R2-D2. That scene, where Luke Skywalker first plays the hologram, became one of the most iconic moments in sci-fi history. Here's the video.
I have placed information vital to the survival of the rebellion into the memory systems of this R2 unit. My father will know how to retrieve it.
Thank you, DB. To summarize, Oracle Database is the only managed database available across all of the major hyperscalers with AI built in, native support for all data types with extensions or add-ons, and seamless multi-cloud integration for DevOps tools. It supports all AI technologies and tools available in OCI, but in other clouds as well. It eliminates the need to move your data across multiple databases and supports all data types. And all database AI features supports your popular languages and frameworks that you like to use. To build the AI hologram app yourself, or to learn more about all of the Oracle Database 23 AI features, please scan the QR code, check out the links on the screen. I hope this helped you become an app dev ninja on your team. Thanks for watching.